welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am super excited because this is going to be the first pack with me / vacation video of 2021. I do want to put a disclaimer in the beginning of this video before I go any further that I am obviously aware that we are still in a pandemic. However, it is not quarantine. Those are two totally different things, and the travel restrictions were lifted months and months and months ago. I understand that not everybody's going to be comfortable traveling, and that is completely okay. If you don't want to travel, you don't have to travel. This isn't even really going to be like a vacation. It's kind of just like a weekend trip, and it's going to be with family. I feel like it's two totally different scenarios if I were to go to the beach with family versus if I were to go out and party and be irresponsible with no mask in a confined group with a bunch of people. Regardless if I'm here or in a different state, I'd still be going out to the store, getting necessities, going to my job that I have to go to and work at every day. So there's honestly no difference. What are you doing? And if you are here to leave any types of hate, please just click off this video. So yeah, I just wanted to make that very clear before going any further. So I've had a list on my phone of necessities and just things that I want to pack. I've been perfecting over the last couple weeks because I really obviously don't want to forget anything. I feel like I always miss at least one thing. So I've been really just going back and adding things periodically, and I think I have my perfected list, so I am all ready to pack. So we are going to Cape May, New Jersey. It's only like 2.5 to 3 hours away from where I live. So nothing far, like I mentioned. It's only going to be like a weekend type of thing. So 2 days, that's all I need to really pack for. No suitcase. So I'm going to be bringing this pink holographic duffel bag. It's huge, first of all. Some things I can't pack quite yet, like my credit card, driver's license, like obvious things, you know, that you kind of pack last minute. It's currently Sunday and we leave this Friday, so like basically at the end of the week. And I just want to get my packing with like all my outfits and everything done right now because I'm going to be really busy and tied up with work all this week. I bought this like beach blanket off of Amazon. It's not like a felt blanket, it's kind of like a towel just to put down, so when you put your actual towels down it doesn't get sandy for when you dry off, and you can lay like your bags and stuff on it without all your stuff getting sandy. I have masks and hand sanitizer. I am going to be bringing more like backup masks, but I don't want to pack those quite yet because I use them. The weather is like kind of unpredictable at this point. Like there is a forecast, but I checked it like yesterday and it was rainy, and I checked it just now and it says like now cloudy. So I'm just like packing a bunch of clothes. I'm not really like pairing certain outfits. I'm just kind of bringing like some pants and some tops and then pairing them whatever day or whatever mood I'm feeling whenever I'm there. I'm only going to be bringing one nude bra just because I'm going to be wearing one when I get there, and I'm probably going to be in a bathing suit most of the time anyways. Some underwear as well as a sports bra. Just to lounge in, maybe sleep in. I'm packing a pair of capris for if it is rainy or like cold, windy, whatever. I'm also bringing this white short sleeve Michael Kors bling top. We're going to be bringing just one pair of jean shorts. I'm bringing this ruched crop top to pair with possibly the shorts. I have this like black leather corset top with these super high-waisted zipper up white jeans. I feel like this is a really cute outfit. For swimsuits, I have this tanning suit, so they're bottoms that are a bit on the cheeky side with this strapless sparkly bandeau style top, and then I also have a second suit just to wear. I really don't think I'm going to be going in the ocean, especially since it's supposed to be cold. Even if it was supposed to be like all sunny and like 100 degrees, I still probably wouldn't go in the ocean. I usually only tan when I go on vacation. I'm also packing this rhinestone belt just to spice up an outfit, possibly for a nice dinner look or maybe just for like an Instagram photo. This one over here likes to crank up the freaking AC to the max, so I'm bringing some sweatpants for the hotel if it's cold. I literally can't sleep when it's cold, so I remember when we went to Florida like months and months ago, I literally couldn't even sleep. Like I didn't get any sleep because it was so cold. I'm also going to be bringing this bag. This would be a really nice bag to bring by itself for my clothes, but I actually want this for the beach to pack all of our snacks or possibly like our speakers, our phones, to put stuff in while we're on the beach that we don't want just laying out, you know. Fold this bag up and it's good. I might end up packing maybe one more outfit or possibly like another bathing suit or maybe two. Again, I want to get some really nice photos while I'm there, so I'm probably going to pack one more suit. So I'm going to now start to pack my makeup. I have this sparkly Victoria's Secret London makeup bag, and I'm not going to bring a ton of makeup, but I do want to bring at least one pair of lashes, again, for photos. So I'm packing my Better Than Sex mascara, the waterproof one, as well as brow pomade with a brush and also a brow pencil, just in case if I want to quickly fill them in without like, you know, full on doing it. It doesn't take up too much room, so it's whatever. eyebrow gel, eyelash glue. I'm probably just going to pack these BH Cosmetics 301 lashes just because they're on the subtle side. They're not like my Platinum Princess ones, like super bold, so they should be fine. I'm gonna bring an eyeshadow palette just in case. This is like a cheap one. I don't really care if it gets broken or whatever, so I'm gonna have that in there. And I also need to pack some brushes then. I probably won't do eyeshadow, but I just want to bring it just in case. I want to pack some skincare, like nothing crazy, not a lot, just like maybe a mask or two, because if we do end up getting rained in, me and my sister already agreed on like a skincare night. That would be super cute, so I'm gonna pick one from my collection. So I'm just gonna bring these 4 products. I have a glow serum, I have a face moisturizer. This one's mini, so I can throw it in my beach bag if I want it for the beach. I have a Seaside Glow peel mask and also just a facial mist for hydration. My face gets super dry when I'm at the beach, so that'll be good. Okay, this bag is actually packed up to the brim.
What?
To the brim. You ever heard that before?
I mean,
to the brim, like to the very top.
no, it's to the top, not to the brim. We're not from the streets.
I have my makeup and my skincare in this like tiny little bag, so that's good. We're gonna be bringing some makeup wipes as well as a spa headband for spa night. I'm also bringing these 2 products. This one is a SPF 30 sunscreen by CeraVe, and this one is aloe vera for if I get burnt. I really don't think it's gonna be that hot. It's like for 2 days, I don't really think I would get burnt that quickly, but just in case, you never know. Since I didn't need to get travel-sized items for my shower products like shampoo, conditioner, body wash, I'm just going to be using my own products at home. Obviously, I can't really pack these yet because I'm still going to be using them within the week, but I'm also going to be last minute packing those like Friday morning. I could pack my perfume now. I'm going to bring this like mini Thank You Next perfume. So that completes this pack with me. It's literally filled. It's huge. I didn't even know it could hold this much, and I didn't think I would bring as much as I did. Like, I don't know what is even in here. Like, so that was it for this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below what your favorite vacation spot is. Definitely stay tuned for the vlog and the get ready with me videos to come out for this vacation if you want to follow me on my journey. Definitely be sure to subscribe so you don't miss those videos. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I love you all so much, and bye guys.